Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Abdul Faqrim. Uh, and today I will be presenting the experiences and knowledge I gained during my industrial training at Asia, Singapore. So, in, we start by the introduction. So, the definition of industrial training is a structured work experience program for students or fresh graduate to gain hands-on experience in real working environment. It bridges the gap uh, between theory and practice by giving us students the chance to apply academic knowledge and practical in practical scenarios. And the second, and then the goal of industrial training is for the main goal of my industrial training were to enhance my practical knowledge by applying what I have learned in uh, in college to real world situation, and it also helped me improve my technical skill and soft skill, adapt to fast paced environment, and gain exposure to how business operate in the IT sector. As a background, first is company background. So the company that I have worked with, the Maturity Asia Singapore is a leading financial technology company in Malaysia since its established in 1996. It has focused on money transfer, foreign currency exchange, digital payment, and mobile telecom services. Their mission is to promote financial inclusion and with innovative and accessible solution, while their vision is to become the top digital financial service provider in Malaysia and beyond. And the next is my supervisor profile. So during my internship, I was guided by Miss Fiza Hazlini binti Sheikh Muda, who is the assistant manager in business analyst division. She played a significant role in supervising and supporting my progress throughout the training. And the next slide is project details. So to give an overview, the core of my training involved working on the MRS system and in helping and what is it called testing the new while also looking back at the old system like from. So the core of my training involved working on the MRI system, uh, s- specifically transitioning from MRS 3.0 to MRS 4.0. This include identifying system limitation, conducting testing, and providing post-implementation support, which all essential tasks in IT system development and maintenance. So the first task that I have got is identifying the limitation in MRS 3.0. I had accessed the weakness of MRS 3.0 to prepare for improvement in MRS 4.0. Oops, sorry. Uh, this involved gathering feedback from the other team that tested the ongoing progress of MRI 4.0 and also working together with developer giving out FSD. FSD is I forgot what is it called. FSD is something like so it's something about the development thing and the thing the system requirement. Yeah, that's the word. System requirement. So I'll be working with my supervisor and my senior at the time. We look at uh, is this here in MRF 3.0? Why is it not in MRF 4.0? Like that, and then we're working to improve the overall performance of 4.0 by upgrading the UI. I'm not usually on hand with the entire development team, but I do certain requirement there. And then going to the second task that I got it is user acceptance testing and quality assurance. So I was involved in UAT for MRS when it first released. It's not really released. It's what is it called pre-release. So it's an ongoing development. So it's still being developed and still going back and forth in terms of updating and developing. So I developed the test cases, conducted a test session with other team members, and reported issues to the developer. This is a critical step in software development to ensure system reliability and user satisfaction. Uh, for the third task that I did is IT support and post implementation after the new system went live. So I assisted, I assisted in providing IT support. This include resolving technical issue like forgotten password, uh, account getting what is called account created but not found, and updating documentation and helping user adapt to the new system. So this is all practical responsibility that strengthen my skill in support and user interaction. So moving to the next slide is the other tasks that I did during the whole thing. Is I also contributed in it to updating functional specification document FSD that I have talked about. So and also analyzing system errors like eh, during the testing on 4.0, I also did testing on 3.0, looking if uh, there is this thing where we call it pre-production. So we are using the pre-production, not the already developed one that every other branches use. So the pre-production is the one that we test development, we test all the update. So during the pre-production, we're using the pre-production for 3.0. We are checking about everything like not everything like is there any error from 3.0 that need to be fixed for 4.0. And then we also check is there like clutters like something like UI that doesn't make sense on 3.0, so we change it for the 4.0, making it easier for the user. That is what I do during that time. And also these tasks require attention to details and understanding of the system architecture, which are the key element in IT documentation and system improvement. So in conclusion, these are the picture of what I do mostly in the meeting and also a few there. I'm mostly in the meeting taking notes about the improvement that already did, what is the error that have been found by the other team too. So that is the few picture that I've gotten during the internship. So last but not least is the conclusion. My internship at Maturity Asia has been a great opportunity to apply my information technology skills, knowledge in the real world setting for testing API, using Postman to analyzing system error. I gain technical communication and problem solving skill that will be valuable for my future in IT career. Uh, that is all from me. Thank you all for listening. Thank you. That's the end of the presentation.